This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, oven, air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, slideout, stove top burner, TV, smoke detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is 10,864 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.